4.2.6. What can be done with the advanced features? This section contains time and delay elements. These have an internal input and an internal output. Additionally, these gates have a special set input. This separate input can be used to set a delay time via a communication object or a group address. The appropriate logic gate must be selected in order to configure it. The following functions can be found in the Advanced tab. Delay function. The value at the input, in, is sent after a delay to the output, out. This delay time is defined in seconds. The configured delay time is overwritten with the value from a communication object or a group address. Note: this value is saved permanently so that the change is visible and active in the editor, even after it is restarted. Note: all data types can be connected to the set input. The following rules must be observed. Values of 0. These values are ignored. Values up to 4,294,944. These values are limited to 4,294,944. These values are limited to that maximum number. Floating point values are always rounded downwards. For example, 24.8 will be 24. On, off, staircase function. The value at the input, in, affects the output value, out, after a delay in different ways. On, delay. Off, delay. Staircase function. On function. Select on delay. The value 1 at the interval input is delayed by the set delay time and then sent on to the internal output. Delay. This delay time is defined in seconds. The configured delay time will be overwritten with a value from a communication object or a group address. Retrigger with 1. Enabled. When a 1 is received again at the input, the delay time is restarted. Disabled. If a 1 is received again at the input, the delay time is not restarted and the value 1 is sent to the output after the first delay time. Stop with 0. Enabled. When a 0 is received at the input, the delay can be stopped immediately, and the event is not sent to the output. Disabled. If a 0 is received at the input, the value 1 is still sent to the output after the delay time. In the case of the off function, selecting the off delay causes the exact opposite. That means you retrigger with 0 and stop with 1. Staircase function. Selection of stairwells. The value 1 at the interval input is sent immediately to the internal output and reset to the value 0 after the set delay time. Delay. The delay time is defined in seconds. The configured delay time is overwritten with the value from a communication object or group address. Retrigger with 1. Enabled. If a 1 is received again at the input, the delay time is restarted, and accordingly, the internal output will be reset later. Disabled. If a 1 is received again at the input, the delay time is not restarted, and the value 0 is sent to the output after the first delay time. Only after this delay is it possible to reactivate this function. Stop with 0. Enabled. If a 0 is received at the input, the delay will be stopped immediately, and the value 0 is sent directly to the output. Disabled. If a 0 is received at the input, the value 0 is sent to the output after the delay. Note: the value for the delay time is saved permanently, so that this change is visible and active in the editor, also after a restart.